What's up, my beautiful people? Today we're finally going to be installing my K24 catch can. Yup, it took a year, but we got it. And we're also going to be installing our level 7 oil vent cap for the catch can player. The homie Keen passed through the crib a couple days ago to do the final mock-ups of the catch can, and we just went ahead and semi-installed it, but then we just ended up actually installing it. So I'm not going to uninstall it to reinstall it. I think that would be a waste of time. So what I'm gonna do is just show you that it's already installed, show you how to install it, and then we'll go from there. Cool? Here I have my K24 catch can that I just try to do like a small polish on, that I need to just go ahead and order like the little drill bit thing, and yeah, I'm gonna polish it though. I think I'm gonna polish up this thing and make it real nice, but here we are. Here's my catch can from K24. Only one of 3 ever been made. So not all catch cans are created equal, which means some people create catch cans to make a quick profit. Some people who have a passion for the motorsport and what they do create catch cans that actually work. Keem is one of those people. This catch can is baffled like a mofo. And it's also an overflow tank. Super cool, like the detail and thought that goes into his product for us to like have on our cars that actually perform. Because most catch cans don't have a proper venting system. They don't work. They're just there. You know what I mean? Like you go on eBay, search up a catch can, them junk. Like most of them are junk. Glad I was able to purchase a piece that's actually beneficial. What's it called when something works? Like you buy something that's actually beneficial, productive. What's the word? That's right, functional. It's functional. So today's agenda is to get the catch can installed, and then we're able to go really hash and thrash and smash on this car, bro, so I can finally get the content and get everything going with the turbo stuff. Maybe go to Mexico, find me a little shortstop out there, you feel me? And by shortstop I mean race, because I can't say a shorty, because then my girl be like, why you cheating on me on YouTube? And I ain't trying to, you know, black men don't cheat. So I think what I want to do next to the car is add titanium bits everywhere. I gotta link up with Frank and see how much he would charge me for like a full titanium kit. Like I want these titanium, I want the hardware titanium, I want just titanium bits everywhere on the engine bay. So what we got going on today is, as you can see right here, level 7, baby. Oil vent, catch vent, oil, what? Sorry, bruh. I just totally fucked up. We have everything needed to do the oil vent catch can setup from my oil cap. So everything that I need to do it is here. My lines are over there. So we are Monday. So we have everything right here to install the oil vent catch can setup. It's pretty simple. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You feel me? It's quite simple. And like I state in many of my videos, this ain't no motherfucking how-to video. I don't really know what I be doing. I mean, I just think it's common sense to put what and who, but if you want to know how to actually install this, then I guess I'll have to do my job. Damn, never mind. Welcome to school, everybody. So this is your step 1, right? You have the cap, and you put an O-ring on it. This is the O-ring that goes on it. It's the biggest one in there. You sit that snug and fresh in there. Step 2, you have this one. This needs an O-ring as well. The O-ring that's like thick right here goes right in there like so. I do that off camera. And then the third O-ring, which is your third piece, this O-ring fits in there. And then you have these 2 Allen bolts, which I think is a size 2 or 2.5. Can't really remember off the top of my head right now, but that attaches to this. So basically, it'll look something like this. Ta-da! And then this, with the O-ring, sits something like this. So here's your setup. It's really simple, bro. Super simple. Should probably go back to college and be like a PE coach or something. But then again, I just made a video how I'm out of shape. And last night I ate a crumble cookie. It was like an Oreo, but like dark chocolate chip cookie with like Oreo frosting on top. But I took it right. I don't like frosting. Y'all like frosting on y'all cakes? I'm not a fan of frosting, bro. Not a fan. so when you go to install the oil vent, you might have to do what I did and move your fuel injector clockwise. Well, not clock, yeah, I guess clockwise that way. Maybe like 1 o'clock. If it's at 12 o'clock, move that bit at 1:30 or something, you feel me? And then you probably gotta do the same with these ones because of the way the hose is gonna go. It might hit those as well. So, I mean, this is just general mock-up. I mean, once it's like that, yeah, it might hit. Honestly, I don't know, we'll see. Let's say like, oh man, Josh, when I go to install the cap, what if this gets loose? Well, this is 2 pieces. So this piece stays inside. See how it's coming off like that? Yeah, baby. Now you see how it vents out. It's a really unique setup how this thing is, bro. This is so dope. So this right here just threads in like that with a size 32 socket, I believe. I believe that's to tighten that is a size 32, which I have right here. I think it's a 32. Is it a 32? Let's find out. And it's a 34. It's not a 32, it's a 34. Tighten that with a 34 socket, and then you put your O-ring on this. Put that in like that, so you can fill your oil and stuff. And that's how it should look. All right, so what you see right here is my concoction. I pretty much think I'm doing this right, minus the scratches and stuff right here. I taped up everything right there where it needs to be cut. I'm gonna swing by the homie JB's place later, and he's gonna cut it for me, attach the other ends, make sure I actually put these ends on correctly. A-end fittings is not hard to do, but I'd rather have somebody who do this for like a career to go over everything, make sure everything is tight, neat, secure, no leaks. All the fittings and stuff is good. Then from there, we can install it on the car. So it's pretty straightforward process. Just got to get some A-end lines cut to where you need, and then just put the fittings and stuff on. It's really simple stuff. I'm sorry if I'm not going into too much detail. It's pretty much straightforward and easy and simple, but there's a plethora of videos on the internet on how to do A-end fittings and install the level 7 catch can setup. So yeah, it's not that hard, but it is what it is. I'm trying to get some content out for you guys, man. I know you got some more turbo stuff, and I want to drive my car again without worrying about blowing seals and things of that nature. So once this is ready, then we'll be good. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day, and I went by JB's place yesterday. As you've seen in the TikTok, I went by JB's. He helped me out big time by providing me with 2 new fittings, 245s, and pretty much, yeah. It's not done yet. I just put everything on to see how the lines will fit. So now I just gotta tighten up everything. Because this is not tight. Just gotta tighten up it all right here. So like I stated, this is a 34 millimeter socket thing, not socket, but nut. And then put your 34 on that, John. Tighten it up. Look how amazing, my first ever functional catch can. It's a beautiful thing. And shout out to Keem for putting the yellow filter there. That's so nice, bro. That looks so good. Level 7 oil vent tube catch can. I do not have a discount code, but I want to give a shout out to the homie for supplying this for. If you guys are interested in the level 7 performance oil vent catch can setup unit majig, I have a link down below to 11-7 website, and I have a link to Keem Fab's Instagram. Now look, Keem does not do fabrication full time. It's his part-time slash not even part-time. It's a hobby of his. So if you message Keem Fab and he don't read your message, or he reads your message but doesn't get back to you right away, he's probably busy with his real job. So if you reach out to Keem Fab for a catch can or any type of fab work, he doesn't do this as like a part-time or his full-time thing. It's whenever he's bored or I don't know. Just know that. I just wanted y'all to know that. So with my catch can setup being done, I now have this beautiful brand new Hybrid Racing oil cap that I will be giving away through Zosh MFG through a random order. So if you order anything through Zosh MFG website, chances are you might have some random bits going inside of your package. And yeah, we're ready to make some POVs. We're ready to go to work, baby. I haven't started this car in days. Sure if I told you guys how this catch can mount. So before I forget, it mounts one there at the half sport tab. So you have one mount there, and then the other mount brackets on the back of the half sport motor mount tab. So you take off this nut, slide your catch can there, you take off that bolt right there from the top and the bottom, slide it through there, well underneath on top of the actual mount itself, and your money. That is my catch can installed. That's it right there, player. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I know it was short and sweet and to the point, as we wish most our women would be. I can't talk loud because my girl's out there and she don't hear me talking shit, and I don't want her to be like, why y'all talking shit? Bruh, I'm fighting for my life. But next video, we should have finally some Turbo Integra content. We should have some POV, some pulls, something with cars racing, vroom, 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 or something. We gonna figure this out. We gonna figure out how to use this Turbo Integra build to our best power. You feel me? We gonna figure it out. But like I stated earlier in the video, if you want to get you a catch can made or any type of fabrication work through KeemFab, good luck. But his information is down below. Level 7 performance for the oil vent catch 2.0. Zosh MFG merch is always available. Y'all know the vibes. I just released some socks, bro. Some nice, comfy, sporty, dope ass socks. If you want to get a pair of those, link down below to Zosh MFG. And I thank you for supporting a young black man. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone. Peace.